Hello everybody, how are you today? I am going to show you how to install the new LEDs which just came in today. These ones, so let me turn it the right way. So this one, the LED for the car. Yes, it's a pack of 4 LED stripes, so and they are all connected to each other, so it should be plug and play. But I have bring the new set I am going to show you right now. So here is the set of tools I just had ordered specially for taking interior stuff out. So it looks like this. You have all the types of clips remover. Also these ones, they are very plain and not bent over like this. And you have also some metallic ones if you have to get more strength to loosen the clips. And also people help me get the 30 subscribers. We are actually at this time we are at 16, I think 16, 17 subscriber. Also people, I just started a merch which the link is in the description. You can buy stuff from that, and about $1 or $2 per purchase are going to an association for little kids in need. So you do me a favor, you do them a favor, it's win-win for everybody. You get cool stuff. So at the moment there are a few accessories. I just ordered some tests, so they are coming in like the middle of March. I will post a video just for that. So that's for all the talking. Now we can finally open the LED pocket. It looks like this. Yeah, you have 60 million colors, it's adjustable brightness, you have a music mode, and it is safe to use. That means that it won't burn your car, I think, I hope. So let's pop that up. Yeah, I'm filming this right now, don't worry about that. I got a little dirty on the floor. So you have at first a remote, which I am going to open right here, so you will able to see everything. So I'm holding that the wrong way. So okay, you have that on button, yeah, adjustable colors, the music modes, and the fade and jump modes. Also flash, quick, slow, and auto. So that is if you don't want to put out your phone. You can adjust all the lights by this, but you can also connect it with Bluetooth and a special app, and you will be able to change color even more. So the next is some few, I don't know how you would say that in English, but these are to tighten up the cables. So I'm putting them here, that also there. So now we got out the little USB port for the cigarette holder. I think it's called cigarette holder. In my language it's an aluminum cigar. I don't know if you know that. It's you know, you have here a port. On the Toyota GT it's here, which you can pop up and just stick that inside. Hoopla. Like that. So it's in. I'm not making a product placement for Haribo, don't worry. So there. And the JT, it's cool because it's very hidden, so I can put the cable down here, up here, close that, and it will take out here. So I may be going to go up here, down this side or this side, I don't know. I have to figure it out later. So now let's get to the LED itself. So we have here 4 stripes of LEDs. They look like this. So you have 2 main and 2 secondary. So you have I think on the picture it was you start with the back, so that one that I am sitting just over, and then the two secondary you put under that, under the steering wheel and under the foot here, so you have the whole lightings in the foot room. Yes, so that is for the LEDs. I am going to open them a little bit later. Now I have also here some stripe if you have not enough, or if one gets out. That is pretty cool feature because not every package has them. The last one I put in the Fiesta didn't have them, and I also had a problem with one which didn't hold so good on the seat. But let's hope for the best that these are going to work. Most likely, if they are packing these inside the box, it means that they don't hold very long, but I hope not. And you have also here an adapter cable for I don't know what. If you are going to go full USB, oh no, it's for the central control, LED control. You put in there, and that you're going to put in your alum cigar. I don't know how to say it. Voila, here inside. Then you have your little manual, which there are lots of tips how to do this, but we are not going to use that, so fuck that. And also fuck this box. I don't need everything which you don't need in the car. Get out, so you have place to work. So now I just have to figure out where I am going to put the camera. So people, I just took off all this little tightening stuff. So now it looks like this. The cable is all long, but I didn't for now take off these ones because I will take them later when I'm with. For the moment it's good when it's not too long. I'm going to put them in the back right now because I am starting with the control system, which is this one, and I'm just figuring out where I want it because I don't want it to be too seen, because it's not the most beautiful thing you can have on a car. So guys, you did the update where I am right now. I just put the M3 stripe on top of this because so I always cut some little things of this one with my wrench, also with my cutter. I use this one because it just cuts really thin, and I used a few, like I don't know if you can see, little things to just keep in the cable glued on, so you don't disturb when you hold the handbrake, and also so it's clean and not all over the place. So now I am just figuring out what I'm doing next before I'm going to put it on the side of here, because I have also to test if I can put the seat all the way back and fold it down without that rubbing again. So guys, now I am sitting at the back of the car. As you can see, it's not very high, so you can imagine what problem the people had to put inside the tint in this area. Now it looks like this. I have almost no place to put in my feet. This car is very not made to have people in the back, but it's good to work. So now I have to look and figure out what cables I am using now. So I will start with the driver's side. I don't know if it's the best side to start. I am starting from there now because I have the control on this side. So I think in my logic it would be the most intelligent way to go, and the hardest also, because you have all the shit in the way, and I have to figure it out now. So I see you when I have just placed everything, and I am going to hide the cable later. So right now it looks like this. I have sorted out that this one is going to come like that, or I have to watch, because in my car it's not very logical to do it in the back, because nobody is ever gonna sit in the back. I think I'm going to do it under the seat at the front, so you have just more light in the front than having both under the. So right now we have that one driver's side, that one driver's side, I'm going to make the cable between this. I just taped that one here. So people, little update. I figured out how I could put the LED on the back seat. I glued the cable here, there on top. I don't know if you can see here. So going under the carpet, so it's almost hidden, and it comes up here and goes all the way inside the seat and back up here. So if the seat is always back, because when you're driving you don't see this, so that is good. I have to figure out how much I have to loosen here, so when I pop up then the seat front and back, it don't rip off the gold LED. So that you have to be careful when you manage the cables, because the LED is very simple to use. You just put it in and it's good. But the cable management, you have to look, if you want to make it look nice, you have really to think about what you are going to do. So also the second cable I managed to put inside of this little ramp. I glued it on here. It goes on to there, under this, and it is going down there. So for me it's okay. I could have do it a little better, but then I would have to take off the whole part here, which I don't want it. So I think it's pretty much okay for this seat here. I have to do the front there and the back seat there. So I see you in the front. So people, the front went really quick. I have the LED all under here, the cable is going down there. I have made it out to go under here, under there, back to the seat. So that front is done. I'm just putting on the seat back where it was, so I can hide more cable. So I managed to do all the LED hiding, and I put them, let me show you, I put them all over here. Only have to push that one a little bit more. Come on, focus on. So it goes down there, under here, all along to come out under there. I managed to push it under the frame. That one I'm going to leave that there. So here's the control. The seat goes all the way through without any problems. All the cables are under there, and they go all along here to come out there. So I am pretty happy about the cable management. Now it's the moment of truth. So the LED is working, you just don't see them very good, but it's now red. So I managed to do all the LEDs and everything. Now let's start the remote. I took out this plastic sheet and let's turn them blue. Turn them blue. So if you like the video, like, subscribe, and leave a comment how you think was the video, and also check out the other videos I did if you're interested. I did some few covers, yeah, pretty much, and also into the video. In the last video I talked about what are the plans for this channel, so go check it out so you are up to date what belongs to the channel. And also, yeah, if you had fun, subscribe, and then see you in the next video.